tree said what? Come on, let's go. Yo, 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 yo. I'm loving the fact that you could be around so many of God's amazing creatures, and wow, look at this amazing view. We're about to dive in. We're about to get soaked. Whoa! This is Canada, like time of punctuality. In my country, Ghana, they'll be like, we are now going to load the fireworks.
God have mercy upon us.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Eve's Eye. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe it. Don't just pass me not so gentle saviors. But yeah, we're here in Niagara Falls. I'm here at the Butterfly Conservative, whatever. I don't know what it is, but yes, I'm here with my family, my brother and my sister, and I'll introduce you guys to them. Say hi, Douglas.
Hello, everyone.
Yes. How you guys doing?
Doing pretty good. How are you?
Good. So today, this is Pastor Douglas. Okay, you guys are seeing Pastor Douglas in his elements. So that I said, where do we know him from? Here. Yes. So Pastor Douglas brought us out here to Niagara Falls. Is this your first time at this side of Niagara?
This is my first time in this place. I'm going to go inside and see what's going on there and enjoy it.
Naomi, what about you? What do you have to say? Naomi, today's what?
My first time.
Your first time. And you see. What? But Pastor Douglas, you were saying something about the name of the butterfly. How do you say the name of the butterfly in tree?
Afrafanto.
So remember Quadrant Tree said what?
Afrafanto.
Come on, let's go. Yo, 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 yo. Yes, guys, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys how it looks inside. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. As I was saying, those subscriptions help me to move forward. And blessings.
Radiado, me tinha baixo, baby of a phantom, and Mofuna to Mwasi, I cage a mound. Any of a phantom may be a grocery.
Thank you. Now, from Ghana, what's been around to Ghana? The no money at Tiffy, the no Musa, wow, condition, so Buffy, and maybe Diago. Come on, I got a Ghana there. When I got Bakuba suit, you don't have night fair. Maybe my baby. What's a revelation? I was a contract. I was there. I remember because when you get, no, so bad. I want to inject. Yeah, I'm a brown. I've got who is catching the you need some of us how many you were here. In God's creation, nothing foreign. It's just the same thing. But that's how you know in life. So put me brandy out there. No one is scared. But you ain't gonna go. You need to say BBC grab it when it's covered. And so hi I am. Right.
Because you say weekend like this, feel when you have to come out and just see the nature. This is pure nature. But in Ghana, when you go Ghana, and see a coffee woman, and more way you know media.
Nanso.
Young woman, young woman.
Ghana.
Ghana young butterfly young.
But yeah, I say yeah. But how long they
I'm on channel at the time.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Wow. Hey, doggy. Okay, Emre. And you're Emre. You're mushroom. No, that's not mushroom. No. It looks like a mushroom.
So how excited are you when you see this kind of animals?
Wow, I feel like butterflies remind me of growth, like how life is. Like first you may crawl, then you get into your cocoon and hide. God will hide you, and then all of a sudden you come out the cocoon and God will show you His glory. Like how, so it's a process in life. Everything's a process. Patience.
So you seeing them real like this, it means that your life is in process,
Amen.
or your life is real.
It means my life, as you said, process, and it's going to be real. Everything I desire, everything I'm going to become, it's all in this process, in the little things that God uses to make you wise. It's not like you have to go look. Whatever you want to see is right here.
Wow.
Wow. Yes, I love the butterflies. Hey, sir.
Whoa.
Pastor Douglas, who would you any? Wow. Hey, who is it from? Hey. Because I didn't know why I question when you saw I didn't come up with
Yeah. It's relaxing.
Very.
Nice.
How do you feel?
Area said it.
Yes.
Big time.
Okay, so here's my question, Douglas. How do you feel that you've been growing up in the farm with all these amazing, beautiful butterflies? How do you feel right now, seeing them in this light?
Right now, I see big difference because we don't really recognize them that much when you see them back home. But here, it looks kind of different. Like the way they treat them, the way they
respect them
is way different from where I live.
So here's what when Douglas is talking, sometimes when you want young, if you have one environment now so we feel one environment no baby before on that soon you go like they'll cherish you. It's a little fat people now who say that baby I want to know where you're staying. If they don't give you like let's say glory, move from the environment. Because somewhere else is waiting for you to glorify you and to admire you.
Your words inspire me.
Amen. Nayo. Hey, the way you also look good behind the sun is nice and your skin, your tutu skin is blossoming. They say the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. This is amazing. Like, I'm loving the fact that you could be around so many of God's amazing creatures, and in the element you can discover yourself. Like, creation is so beautiful, and God makes amazing things. So if God can show off with a butterfly, imagine you. Yeah. Here's my question. Ghana, you was Sanyama be say, and she appreciate it.
And the Indian natural, you natural.
Nanso. Nanso then. Guys, how did you enjoy it?
It's perfect to be in butterfly.
Yes.
And enjoy butterfly.
Yes.
We did enjoy it.
Bye, butterflies.
Yeah, because I has had it. I see you will be a free one. Now, government in India, no say so. And can be a can and I'm sure, and I'm so neat. What to come and be a Diaco, a fellow say, baby, I call a cosmo. Okohano boom pap. Okohano boom. I don't know. Oh, shaman bed or a day.
Grabbing.
As you are, you are DC or MP or when you are over the magic. Missy, Scarlet woman did the magic. No more Timber Myron, 20 from Gravelly. Yes, can be at your home. You can be at your home, making sure of my equino, and him foot coffee job was a one winning. And foot on what your book master quantum now, only making sure what the asphalt in. No, yard, what and foot only cool. What do you know? Say
the kind of not even one incorrect thing is the truth. It's the truth. Or mine. There's a song. I don't know how. There's a song like that.
Almost singing a quack.
Yeah, like it doesn't make sense. Oh, God is at an iron and when you. Huh? And when you the very neighbor say Rose Garden. Hey, Rose Garden. Ghana, you go see Rose Garden.
And Cronin so free a cry go Kumasi. And yet distance be they should do more about it because there's so many work in Ghana. From catch yourself, when you find never is also not car chrono, you want to train second education to I can't go to put you in a forced labor. They will do something. Forced labor, they have to do something. The internet so coach second will be so. Because say on phone no dia. On phone man send it.
Preach, preacher.
Put you money na forced labor. Yeah, they change. Police in around. Yeah, we check you here. And police are no more train soldiers are looking for a crony. And you do the shame answer.
The rainbow is so beautiful. God's promise to his people never to flood the world. Yes, this is beautiful. Hot air balloon in you. Wow, that hot air balloon is so cool. It's so beautiful. The water. I love the view here. It's so like incredible. Like, wow. I love Niagara Falls. This makes me patriotic to be Canadian. The Canadian side is always better. Wow. Woo! Yeah! Wow, look at this amazing view.
Geological studies and the history of Niagara Falls indicate that thousands of years ago, the falls were located 11 kilometers downriver from its origin.
Okay, so it's like
Niagara Falls associated with
it's fun to be here.
We are getting closer and closer to the waterfall. It's so okay. Hold on, let me try and see if I can do something. We're about to dive in. We're about to get soaked. Soaked. Whoa! Happy birthday! Basically, what are the odds of me meeting you on a boat?
It's so funny. I met her.
Yes.
Eve Eyes.
Yeah, that no.
I forget it. What was it, Cambridge?
Yeah, Cambridge. Recently.
40.
Aw.
DJ, she was MC. I didn't even know she was coming.
Right.
And guess what? The same boat.
The same boat. Nah, that's
That's
alignment.
Ghana, man.
Yes.
Even Ghana.
Yo!
Oh,
From Ghana to Canada.
I'm telling you, man.
Don't know. Blessings. Busy, which stage do you want to be on?
Listen.
Okay. If I tell him to marry next year, tell me to marry next year. What you do for? What's your request? What do you want next year? Where?
I want to do one of those events for myself.
Okay, for yourself.
On the big stage that the whole world is just come to see.
Amen. And so shall it be.
Yo,
Almost wow. This is how you show up. Oh my goodness. So this is the go-kart. It's actually very nice, but I ain't doing it. I'm not doing it. Don't even ask why I'm not doing it. What's that? Osu. But we are more agree like tourist attraction. Huh. 10 o'clock on the dot. We started doing fireworks. That is wild. This is Canada. Like time of punctuality. In my country, Ghana, they'll be like, we are now going to load the fireworks. You have to need it.
I'm with you.
We're going to load the
Growing so as a munyama. I can say my own chili.
I'm going to you. That's right.